What Lightning Does to You by Ashley,
Bea,
Darnell,
Justin,
McJohnson.
Ghosty, come to us.
I don't like kids.
spare change anyone?
Get the best of both worlds.
So many envelopes, one tongue.
Hey,
haven't seen you in a long time.
Ah!
Oh my gosh! I can run through walls. Ow.
Laser vision, laser vision.
I can stretch, but why is she looking at me like that?
I know what you're thinking.
Oh no, we must save it from the car.
Okay.
I shall go to the door. Hello? Anyone there?
I'll burn the wheels in my laser vision. Why isn't it working?
why isn't it?
He is thinking about getting a smoothie. Wait, that's just me.
I'll grab you out of the way.
Why did he save me from my own parked car?
Sorry. Why aren't our powers working?
Mine is working.
I don't know. It worked when I saw it on TV. What? I'm sorry.
Catch you on the flip side, home skillet.
Same with you, my Bob Schnuckle.